Hello, Mom and Sir. My name is Heidi Calwing from Philippines. I am 44 years old and married, and I have two blessed children, one 16 years old girl and one 12 years old boy. I work in Singapore as domestic helper for 5 years, and my main duties there is to look after the two kids, one newborn baby boy and 2 and 3 months old little girl. I am the one who fed them, bath them, and cook food for them. And sometimes when grandmother and grandfather are too busy, I am the one who bring and fetch the little girl from school. At the weekend, when my mom and sir are around, I do the household chores like ironing, laundry, and car washing. And sometimes I do the cooking. And luckily, I finished my contract to them for 5 years. And my second work experience is in Malaysia, where I just finished my contract to them last November 2022-2024. And I am currently here in Philippines. My main duties there is to look after the boy, age 1 and 5 months old boy. I am the one who bathed him, fed him, and bring him to sleep. And sometimes I do the tutoring. And of course, in the weekend, I play with the boy. And when the boy is not around, I am the one who do the household chores like ironing, laundry, cleaning, and organizing the house. And especially, I do the cooking. And Mom and Sir, if you choose me as your nanny or helper, I am sure that your house is organized and clean and your children are safe. I am a hardworking person, trustworthy and loyal, and I can do my job without supervision. Thank you and God bless.